Yeah, so it's all about data and artificial intelligence. And so uh, basically, a partnership is about three things: the artificial intelligence technology, so technology itself that Microsoft brings in, the cloud compute and the capabilities there. And the third piece is their expertise on the technology. COVID-19 was a special one. So we were collaborating in an open source collaboration around finding molecules to, let's say, defeat COVID-19. In that effort, we saw an opportunity to use Microsoft's cloud computing at scale. And so what we did is something that's not super new in terms of techniques. It's called molecular dynamics. But what that does is it looks at how molecules interact with each other. But it requires huge compute power. So we reached out to Microsoft and said, can we massively use your Azure cloud environment? So, and in a nutshell, because we have that technology in-house too, but not that performant. And in a nutshell, we we processed that initial effort in 3 days, which normally would take us 6 months. So we used the compute power in different geographies in the world simultaneously to come up with these calculations. I think it's very important. If you think about the development process of a medicine, it's first of all, it's long, it's complex, it has many facets. But in each of these facets, there's an opportunity for artificial intelligence because you can combine diverse sets of data and learn from the data, look at correlations in ways that a human without machines and AI couldn't do. And so suddenly, for each of these steps in the process, you have faster and better insights on what's going on. Well, Rob, this fits in our what we call our patient value strategy. It's finding the right medicine for the right patient population in a faster way. And you do that in many ways with this collaboration. One is by the fact that you are able to generate insights faster. You can, for instance, identify potential targets faster and look at potential candidates to address the target. So those molecules you can then develop faster, et cetera, et cetera. So speed is an important element to it. The second element is what you could summarize in terms of quality. If you understand the patient journey better, if you understand the disease pathology better, you can target your efforts towards a higher probability of success. That also includes speed, of course, because you have the right patient population you choose and you have the right clinical protocol and you have the right everything, it'll be faster. But besides faster, the likelihood of having better outcomes for patients is much higher.